Hey Jeffrey, Howells Carpet Cleaning. We're out in Sandy today to do a bit of deep carpet cleaning out in Sandy. We got a upstairs master bedroom where we're at, a closet space. And of course then we have a stairway there and then like a living room, dining room area we're going to be cleaning up. So what we're going to do, we're going to be taking a 4-phase cleaning approach. One beginning with the pre-vacuum, phase 1. Phase 2 is the application of our pre-spray. It is going to be mixed for pet urine and oils and all that sort of nice greasy, grimy stuff that gets in the carpeting. And then phase 3, we're gonna break out our CRB and give everything a real good scrub. And then phase 4, fire up our truck, get the water as hot as we possibly can in the upwards of 200 plus degrees. Now that I've kind of been recalculating it, just because it says 250 at the truck doesn't mean it's 250 at the wand. So, yeah, we're going to do an awesome job up here today. We are obviously dealing with polyester carpeting again, so we'll get this cleaned up to the best we possibly can using our hot knife solution to break down that water tension to thoroughly clean this polyester. In fact, I might end up using some of the Grease Hog, just because that Grease Hog has the back away stuff has the citrus in it, and it's a high pH, and it'll probably do a better job in the situation with carpeting that likes to hold on to oils and all that nasty stuff.